Naman kanina ni Honorable.
The maximum time that you're given is only 5 minutes, so you...
Okay, so in 2017, in 2017, the Water District entered into a joint venture agreement with MWIC, and the Cobi was created as part of the procedure observing the 2013 NEDA JV guideline. So na-create siya, and then in 2018, nag-start of deliver ang Cobi because ang contract with Rio Verde was already terminated by that time. No? Kaya mutually, the Water District and Rio Verde mutually agreed to terminate the contract. So Cobi na ang nag-supply of about 60, first was 60,000 cubic meters per day or 60 MLD in liters, million liters for west side. And then from January 18, there was a transmission phase stage, a construction of a pipeline from Tagwanao up to Kamamanan, and then the retrofitting of the Kamamanan Reservoir as part of their CAPEX contribution development for the Water District. And once this will be completed, it will be turned over to Cagayan de Oro City Water District as part of our asset. So during that time also, the Cagayan de Oro Water District, before that time, Cagayan Water District has an approved water rate adjustment approved by LUWA. Only that it was not completely implemented because nag-prescribe siya sa period na 5 years, because during the implementation there was ano bang magandang term, there was a deferment, or because the people of Cagayan de Oro probably during that time requested na to implement such increase. So mayroong court order, and then it was na prescribed na ang period. So we were not able to implement our projected rates in order to cope with the water rate adjustment as stipulated in the contract. So now in 1660 we were paying, in 2018 when it started, we were paying at 16 pesos per cubic meter. That was January 1, 2018 up to December 31, 2019. And then in 2020, according to the schedule, it would become 1660 per cubic meter from January 1, 2020 to December 31, 2020. Now, on 2021, Cobi notified that their water rate is already at 20 pesos and 57 centavos per cubic meter. So the board then, during that time, because it was during the pandemic, issued a resolution invoking force majeure and not recognizing the rate increase, the 20.57. So Water District, because of that, Water District continued to pay only the undisputed amount, which is 1660, because it's also in the contract. The undisputed amount will be paid continuously, and the disputed amount, which is the difference of 20.57 and 1660, which is around 3.97 per cubic meter, will be settled by the executives of both parties. And if not, if it will not be settled, then it will go to arbitration. So that is why Cobi is charging Water District at 20.57, but Water District is continuously paying at 1660. So in the book of accounts of Water District, walang na-recognize na utang. Walang utang ang Water District because it is continuously paying at the rate of 1660, because the board during that time did not recognize, invoke force majeure, and until now hindi pa na-resolve yung issue. That is why we are continuously telling Cobi na we go to arbitration because we cannot pay this, because what you are claiming is not reflected as debt in our book of accounts. And if I will allow the payment of such, then I will be subject to COA disallowance. That's my reason. So kanang 426 million something is a product of that 3.97 differential of price. So 3.97 times 80,000 cubic meters per day times 365 days in 1 year times 3 years, kay 21, year 2021, 22, 23, that's about 360 million. Plus, because in 2024, they already notified us that the rate that they are selling is already 24.19 based on the parametric formula and the contract. Kaya ang parametric formula says that every 3 years it would adjust based on the 3